This quick video is about how to log out from Google Photos app on any iPhone. Okay, let's see that. Actually, in Google Photos app, you can't see a logout button, but you can log out in other ways. First, open Google Photos app. Then click here and tap Google Photos settings. Now open Backup and Sync and turn off this toggle button. Now close this and uninstall the app. And if you want to delete backup the photos and videos on Google Photos Cloud, watch this video. I will clearly explain in that video. Yeah, that's it. Now you successfully logged out from Google Photos app on iPhone. After this, your iPhone photos and videos will not be backed to Google Photos app. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.